Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today, finished up in here as far as we could. Got as much as we could and got this panel hung right here. So I got everything going for that. Basically had to find the two studs, one at the very corner and then one right about in here. So I drilled the holes in the back of the panel, had to make some new holes to mount it. And then got the strut hung first of all, and then got the pipe, the 1-inch pipe bent, because I knew I was gonna basically hang the strap there and then mount it on the strut so it could basically hang the panel off the connector screw again, just so we don't have to hold it there while we screw it. So got that mounted on the screw, and then Nick helped me basically lift this up and then hold it as I screwed it in. Other than that, I was working in here for the most part by myself, except at the end of the day when Nick came back, and I let him make up this panel because I was doing other things. But got the box mounted, got the 1/2" 90 for the lights going here. Going down, there's a switch leg, the red one, so basically sending power from the panel through the black, and then the switch leg will go back up on the red to turn the lights on, to connect the power, send it back up, and then we'll connect the lights later. So basically the only thing we have left to do in here is mount the L brackets and the jack chain, and I'm pretty sure we don't have the lights anyways, but I think you already saw this yesterday, the elevator disconnect. Here's the box right there for the switch again, and then the 3/4 pipe 90'd out, that goes down to the elevator pit, which actually I think is right down there, another floor. So anyways, that pipe right there connects through the back like I said yesterday, so that just 90's down the back. Got a couple spreader bars right there to support it. Transitions to PVC to go underground. As you can see, we're up 1 story. So anyways, that pretty much wraps it up. I feel like I was gonna say a lot of other stuff, but I forgot. Basically, just mounting this all together, figuring out the holes for that, getting all that stuff done. It sounds a lot easier when you just say it in a couple minutes, but took most of the day. And then I think I'm going to a different job site on Monday or Tuesday, so I'm taking my tools home today. So they might send me to a different job on Monday for a week or something like that. There's just slowing down here, waiting for other people to do their job, framing walls and stuff so we can keep going. So basically kind of caught up to the other trades, so we don't have really much to do here. We did pull the wire, so this is the last thing to do besides the light jack chain and the angle brackets. So just got to make those up, tie all the colors together, stuff that in the box somehow, put the cover on. Yeah, so made up the feeders in that, made up the feeders in here. Actually that was, I think, we made the feeders up, so Nick made this up. So yeah, so that's that. So that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Just really grateful for all you guys. I really appreciate you guys each and every day. Thanks for all the birthday wishes. Which is today. I got a lot of awesome messages so far from my friends, and I'm gonna hang out with my friends later and have some dinner or whatnot at my friend's house. So thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate you guys each and every day. Just thanks for all the support. 2,700, that's awesome. And can't wait to see what the future takes us, where we go. And that should do, guys. Thanks for watching as always. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit like and subscribe. See you guys back here for maybe a house video over the weekend, back at a different job site, or back for videos on Monday. And check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Peace out.